With the Remote Assist service from Hiperbaric, we offer a qualitative leap in the support service to our customers. We anticipate the future with our mixed reality devices, and we help technical teams to adapt to different scenarios in their daily maintenance operations. Our augmented reality video call service allows you to collaborate and solve problems in a shared mixed reality environment, being in different physical locations. When a field technician is working on a machine and encounters a complex incident, he will have the real help of a Hiperbaric after-sales service specialist, thanks to our augmented reality devices. This remote service can be performed hundreds of kilometers away. Through the device, in a moment, they can share what they see and evaluate the situation, so as to work collaboratively in the resolution of the incidents. We provide assistance at work with step-by-step instructions, right where maintenance is performed. Companies will be able to resolve their incidents faster and in real time, taking advantage of the knowledge of our after-sales service engineers. Hiperbaric. More connected, more informed and more efficient.